The housekeeping robot created by Prosper. Some people may not have the time to clean up areas or any part of their home. The housekeeping robot can do it for you. The chores you give, the instructions you provide it with, will get achieved, saving you time and effort. The detailed cleaning it provides is better than depending on a lazy person that you told to clean, who did not get the job done. This practical robot will not procrastinate or refuse the chores. It seems it can fulfill its duties. So when you get home, you can relax and focus your energy on other things that needs attention. Although I will add, there is more data to be presented for the robot to perform certain tasks. What task? I'm not sure. Overall, it's still in the early stages. Its purpose is to do cleaning tasks for you. I see it being productive. It will be for sale for €5,000 to $10,000, that's $6,000 to $12,000 in the US. Is it going to be worth the money and fees? You decide. In addition to that, Prosper the company will charge a monthly subscription fee for maintenance and insurance. Thank you for watching. Like and sub. See you in the next one. A germ zapping robot that disinfect.